मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण चरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण चरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन
like a firefly, open at night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free, passing streetlights and starry moonlights, and I fly free. The days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free, passing streetlights and starry moonlights, and I fly free. Hey! 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 There I see, I feel no sorrow to live chasing old shadows like a firefly. Open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows like a firefly. Open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows like a firefly. Open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Hey! Hey!
Back to that is Rajnikant's dialogue. Later Vandanaru, latest star.
I'm sorry he won this round. Who's more adventurous? Neither. Sorry.
No, Neha Ramkumar.
Happening here? What was that? What was that? Why was the judge not asked before that happened?
Okay, so I will go.
Please, please.
Since so sweet. Yeah. So Aditya Ravi, you're a very sweet and mature and calm person, and thanks for coming into my life, and I sure will marry you.
Yeah, well done.
Okay, now what do you
Thank you.
what do you love about her?
Something like punch dialogue and all.
Come on.
Yeah. Putting me on a spot, it's hard.
I'd rather see the ocean once in a lifetime and miss
Watch
it
for them.
for the rest of my days.
Both of you to make a lovely pair, and God bless you
Never feel
with all happiness and blessings.
Thank you.
never hear the sound.
I stand by the first time what I told. You're getting a daughter or son, please, son to them. I will stand by that. That's all. The daughter is a daughter and she will be treated. My wife is always on for a daughter.
I thought I will have daughters. I had 2 sons, but I'm going to get lovely daughters as my daughters.
So,
I love my brother. That's a given. He has been a rock steady support to me throughout my life. And now I'm going to have a sister too. And I'm excited to see the happy moments shared between you two in your life. I wish you all the best, and I wish you have a lovely journey together.
This watch was gifted to me by Sneha Penny 3 years ago, and I'm still wearing it. And 1 month ago, I repaired it just so that I could come and show it to her.
Yeah. There's something really crazy that you need to know about. Neha has every doll, every toy, every collectible ever that she has ever had from her childhood, from when she was a baby till now. She's got it safe and sound, and she has the whole thing. Yeah, that's really crazy. Yeah, but yeah, she has it. It's a very big thing. Yeah. So she treasures everything about it.
Just like while speaking to her, that she has a crazy memory. I mean, she remembers everything. Unbelievable. Like, I've not met someone who remembers like little things that happened between us. Like, I mean, I tend to forget. Probably I'm at the extreme end, but she is unbelievable that way, right? You know, she remembers everything, like all the memories. So it's amazing. And yeah.
That is why not but we came a long way, nevertheless. But wish you both a very happy married life. Yeah, have a great time.
As all of you know, Neha's my aunt. She's my mother's cousin. But I actually call her Akka because, I don't know, I've always just
I've seen her more as an elder sister and like, you know, who I can just look up to all the time. And you know, there've been, I can't even count how many times where like I've just been so confused about things that are going on, be it, you know, work or be it my studies or anything for that matter. And it could be 1 in the night or just 12 in the afternoon, and I just have to text her, you know, a really weird sentence that doesn't make sense, or like, you know, what do I do? And she'll explain the entire thing out to you so nicely without thinking twice. And she somehow just knows what's going on in my head, and she says, you know what, I've been there too. And then she lays the whole thing out, and it's just so clear. So it's literally, you know, when they say she's 1 phone call away or 1 text away, Sneha actually is just 1 text away for anybody she loves.
Mr. Ravi and Ms. Sujata put it very nicely. We are looking at son entering our family because we have only a daughter. Most important thing I found is I was not privy to all their discussions and texting and all that. As I keep saying, you know, I've been updated on a need-to-know basis. So I think we were reasonably apprised at the time when they said, yeah, now let's go and talk to the parents of Aditya. I think most important thing in compatibility, partnership is respect for each other. Having different styles, in fact, is good. Like Sneha may be wanting to do things very fast. Aditya may be wanting to do things little slow. Probably when we all attend their 25th anniversary, they'll be in the middle. You know, I'm telling from my experience. So it doesn't matter. But I think so long as you respect the other person's style, I think everything is good. I think they have done that is my assessment, and I'm sure it will continue and get better. And my wish is they should be a model couple for amongst our friends, relatives, etc. I think it's possible. Wish you both, Aditya and Sneha, all the very best. And I must say, put them under the mat, you thought. But what I liked about their answers is, I think both of them gave very candid answers. You know. But being diplomatic is the first choice. I think why would you go and say what is very sharp and focused? But I think they did very well, and I'm very happy. We just got signs of all that I'm saying. All the very best to you, Sneha, Aditya, and I must also take this opportunity to thank everybody. So many people who are here and so many people who are not here. Actually, there are more people who are not here, who have been wanting to be here and sending us so many wishes on various, you know, media, etc., etc. We really thank them for their blessings and prayers. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. When Sneha was born, my mom gave the baby to me and said, she's your treasure. And it's been a treasure not only for me, for my entire family. Now, I'm looking forward for another great treasure, Aditya, to be part of our family. Thank you.
गीत भव जलधि पोत धरणि कुल संजात त्यागराजनुत परमेशनुत गीत भव जलधि पोत धरणि कुल संजात त्यागराजनुत सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सीता
गमिष्यामि अनुज्ञाम देहि मे शुभाम என்னுடைய பேரு साग्निस्त्वं गच्छस्व आगच्छमते गृहं नेतिकी आदित्य ತುಂಬ ಅಮೋಘಮ చాలా బాగా
ನೂರು ನೂರು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನುಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಗೆಳತಿ ಎಂದು ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಲುಮೆ ಸಿರೆ ಹೊಡತಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಗಂಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸೇರಿ ಕಾಯುವೆ ನೆರಳಂತೆ ಅನವರತ ಸುಖ ತರುತ್ತಾ ಆಣೆಯ ಮಾಡುವೆ ನಿನಗೆದು ಹೃದಯದ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯಂ ತಂತು ನಾನೇನ ಮಮ ಜೀವನ ಹೇತುನಾ ಕಂಠೆ ಭಗ್ನಾಮಿ ಶುಭಗೆ ತ್ವಂ ಜೀವ ಶರದ ಶತಂ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯಂ ತಂತು ನಾನೇನ ಮಮ ಜೀವನ ಹೇತುನಾ ಕಂಠೆ ಭಗ್ನಾಮಿ ಶುಭಗೆ ತ್ವಂ ಜೀವ ಶರದ ಶತಂ
കഥയിലെ യമുന തൻ കരയിലെ മുരളിക മൂടുന്ന നവഗീത ഗോവിന്ദം
അഞ്ചും കൊഞ്ചും നെഞ്ചം കാതരേ ചാരേ നീ ചേരേ നീ എൻ ജന്മം സ്വന്തമാക്കുമാ നിമിഷം നിറപുണ്യം കണ്ടില്ലേയും കണ്ണിന്നോണം നീ കേട്ടില്ലേയും കാതിൻ നീളം നീ എൻ ജീവിതത്തിനർത്ഥമാണു നീ ഞാൻ വീണുറങ്ങും സ്വപ്നവും നീ കണ്ടുണരും ദേവിയും അഞ്ചും കൊഞ്ചും നെഞ്ചം കാതരേ ചാരേ നീ ചേരേ നീ എൻ ജന്മം സ്വന്തമാക്കുമാ നിമിഷം നിറപുണ്യം കഥയിലെ യമുന തൻ കരയിലെ മുരളിക മൂടുന്ന നവഗീത ഗോവിന്ദം നീൽമിഴിയിൽ നീർമണിയലുക്ക് പുഞ്ചിരിയിൽ കുങ്കുമക്കൊലുസ് വാർമുടിയിൽ വാസന കറുപ്പ് കവിളത്ത് കടൽ മുത്ത് നിന്നുടലിൽ താരണി തണുപ്പ് നിൻ മനസ്സ് സ്നേഹത്തിൻ തുടിപ്പ് നിന്നിലെന്റെ പ്രാണന്റെ പുതപ്പ് മധുരസമണിച്ചപ്പ് നീ എനിക്ക് നിലയറിയാത്തൊരാഴം നിമ്മ മതളവെഴുതാത്ത ദൂരം അഞ്ചും കൊഞ്ചും നെഞ്ചം കാതരേ ചാരേ നീ ചേരേ നീ എൻ ജന്മം സ്വന്തമാക്കുമാ നിമിഷം നിറപുണ്യം പൂവിലെ ഋതുവോ ഉള്ളുകൊണ്ട് പൂവിലും ഋതുവോ വെള്ളി നുര തിരമനം തഴുകും പ്രണയത്തിൻ ജലധിയോ നീ മഴയിൽ മാരിവിൽ തളിര് വേനലില കാമുകിൽ തിരട് മഞ്ഞലയിൽ മാർഗഴി വെയില് വഴിയിലൊരു പവനേ ഞാൻ നിന്നിൽ കാണുവതെന്നെ എന്നെ നാം നമ്മിലറിയുവതെന്നെ നമ്മെ അഞ്ചും കൊഞ്ചും നെഞ്ചം കാതരേ ചാരേ നീ ചേരേ നീ എൻ ജന്മം സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാ നിമിഷം നിറപുണ്യം കണ്ടില്ലേ എൻ കണ്ണിന്നോണം നീ കേട്ടില്ലേ എൻ കാതിൻ നീളം നീ എൻ ജീവിതത്തിനർത്ഥമാണു നീ ഞാൻ വീണുറങ്ങും സ്വപ്നവും നീ കണ്ടുണരും ദേവിയും അഞ്ചും കൊഞ്ചും നെഞ്ചം കാതരേ ചാരേ നീ ചേരേ നീ എൻ ജന്മം സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാ നിമിഷം നിറപുണ്യം
കഥ